First go to the file and choose open. Select the scan image, press open. Now take the polygonal lasso tool and select the subject like this. Hit Ctrl J to create a duplicate of the selected portion. Now take the rectangle tool, select any color. Now draw the shape like this. Then right click on this layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T for the transform option. Right click and choose Warp. Adjust the shape in this manner. Press enter. Now right click on this layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Double click on this layer thumbnail. Now go to the file and choose Place Embedded. Select this image here. Hit place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Now go to the file and choose Save. Then go to the main window. Open Blend Modes and choose Linear Burn. Now right click on this layer and choose Blending Options. Here adjust this underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Now click on Add Layer Mask option. Take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to black. Decrease the hardness to 50%. Now soften the edges in this manner. Let's see the final result.